March 2024. A company says they built the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Not a coding assistant, an engineer. Plans the work, writes the code, tests it, fixes its own bugs. People watched the demo and assumed the job was over. But was it? The company is Cognition Labs. The product is Devin. Backed by Founders Fund, seed round at a $350 million valuation, later talks of $2 billion, and they turned down a $1 billion buyout offer. The pitch? Devin doesn't autocomplete your code. It does your job. Doesn't autocomplete. Does the job. That's the claim. The question is, did what? Let's be fair before we're mean. Bloomberg watched Devin build a working website in about 10 minutes. It rebuilt Pong in a similar window. Perplexity's CEO called it the first agent demo he'd seen cross the line into actual human-level task completion. That's not nothing. That's a real result, independently witnessed in March of 2024, which is early. Then there's the demo that mattered most. Devin completing an actual paid job from Upwork. A real client, a real computer vision task, shown start to finish as proof the thing works in the wild, not just on a stage. 2 YouTube channels, Internet of Bugs and Computer Vision Project, went back to that exact footage, frame by frame. What Devin delivered didn't solve what the client asked for. Different approach, different result, wrong problem. The video was cut and narrated like it worked anyway. Nobody admits this part, but a demo video is a resume, not a deposition. It's edited the way every resume is edited. The parts that worked stay in. The parts that didn't get quietly trimmed to black. Cognition didn't fake the technology. They fake cut the proof. That's the whole scandal, actually, not the AI can't code. The video showing it coding wasn't showing what they said it was showing. And under the edited footage, something genuinely new is still there. Multi-step planning, live coding, browser use, catching its own mistakes mid-task, without a human steering every keystroke. For March 2024, most labs weren't shipping that. Cognition was. So the tech was ahead of its time. Here's what wasn't. Fully autonomous quietly meant autonomous with a human reviewing every output before it shipped. Replaces the job quietly meant handles some junior tickets on a good day under supervision. And the market noticed the trust gap fastest. OpenDevin, Devika, Cosign's Genie, all built right after, all built specifically to be more transparent than the thing that inspired them. When your competitor's whole pitch is, "We'll actually show you," that's the industry grading your homework in public. So, is Devin real? The autonomy is real. The planning, the coding, the self-correction, genuinely ahead of the field when it launched. That part checks out. The framing was not. Fully autonomous replaces the job, oversold it, and the flagship proof, the Upwork demo, didn't show what it claimed to show. Both things happened. Pick one and you're lying too. Next time an autonomous AI engineer demo drops, do this before you believe it. Ask what got cut from the video. Ask if the actual deliverable matches the actual ask. If you can't check both, you're not watching a demo. You're watching an ad. We do this every time something goes viral. Subscribe to Exit Code 1 if you want the next claim checked before you retweet it.